is it? Get ready.
Tennis. She is playing tennis.
Are you ready?
Running. He is running.
Keep going.
Basketball. She is playing basketball.
Look carefully.
Bike riding. He is riding a bike.
Keep going.
Football. He is playing football.
Watch closely.
Archery. She will shoot an arrow.
Watch closely.
Rugby. They are playing rugby.
Look carefully.
Surfing. He loves to surf.
Let's go.
Kung Fu. She is learning Kung Fu.
Get ready.
Sumo wrestler. He is very strong.
Get ready.
Paragliding. She is having fun.
What could it be?
Skateboarding. He enjoys learning new tricks on his skateboard.
Please like and subscribe.